See the next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity x sine by a square plus x square dx. What is f of x ma? X sine x by a square plus x square. You observe here x term a square plus x square and sine x term is also there. Sine 1x undi అని అర్థం. Okay. Now as usual you write these steps. C is semicircle in the upper half of z plane. Finally you write this step. Integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to integral over c f of z dz. F of z dz. Now what is f of z here? You see here ma, integral f of x dx. What is f of x? X other than dx. Dx into some function is f of x. Leave the dx. What is the remaining? X sin x by a square plus x square. A square plus x square. This is f of x function. Now you write the f of z. In place of x you put z. Okay. Now we have f of z is equal to, see this one. In place of x you put z. In place of a square plus x square, a square plus z square. But you write in this type problem sin x is equal to e power ix. You assume that and write in z e power iz. Sin place lo e power iz substitute cheyandi. This is the function f of z. Now we are going to evaluate this one, integral over c f of z dz. We know what is z. Integral over c f of z dz. How to find? By using residue theorem also we know. For that purpose first you let the poles. You find the poles. How can we get the poles? Let this a square plus z square is equal to 0. Now z square is equal to minus a square. Z square is equal to a square I square. Z is equal to plus or minus ai. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ గా ఉంటే అమ్మ z తర్వాత ఏది ఉంటుందో ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆ వర్డ్ వస్తుంది, ఆ నంబర్ వస్తుంది. సో z is equal to plus or minus ai means z is equal to ai and z is equal to minus ai are simple poles. ఎందుకంటే హోల్ పవర్ 1 ఉన్నట్లు అర్థం. Which lies inside the c. C means upper half of z plane or semicircle. Positive number, పాజిటివ్ ఇమేజినరీ నెంబర్ అంటే అప్పర్ హాఫ్లో ఉండేది ఏమవుతుంది, ఏఐ మాత్రమే. ఓన్లీ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏఐ లైస్ ఇన్సైడ్ సి. దట్స్ వై we are going to find residue at z is equal to a. This is simple code. Now the formula is limit z tends to ai, z minus ai into f of z. Z minus ai into f of z. Now same limit z minus ai, in place of f of z you put this one, z e power i z by z, in place of a square plus z square split into fractions. Fractions means ఇది z is equal to ai ఒక రూట్ కాబట్టి z minus ai ఒక ఫ్యాక్టర్, z is equal to minus ai ఒక రూట్ కాబట్టి z plus ai is another factor. Now here this cancel, z minus ai cancel. What is the remaining? Limit z e power i z by z plus ai. Then you substitute ai. Limit means substitute z is equal to ai in this function. Now we get, in place of z put ai, z means ai, okay, ai e power iz, I into z means ai, I into ai square. I square is minus 1 kabatti ai square means minus a. This is numerator. What about denominator? In place of z ai plus ai, you get 2ai. You get 2ai. Here a cancel, then I cancel, you get e power minus a by 2. What is e power minus a by 2? This is the residue of the function at z is equal to ai. Now from Cauchy residue theorem we have integral f of z dz is equal to integral this one. Okay. Now by residue theorem, integral over c f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues. What is integral f of z dz? F of z is this. So integral z, in place of e power iz you put sin x. This is equal to dz by a square plus z square. Which is this value ma? This value is equal to 2 pi I e power minus a by 2. 2 cancel the pi I by e power minus a. Okay, but here it is sin z. we find the e power iz value. Okay, now you take the imaginary part value. Now integral of minus infinity to infinity x sin x dx by a square plus x square is equal to, this one is equal to pi I e power minus c, pi I e power minus c. Now integral 0 to infinity x sin x by a square plus x square is the minus infinity to infinity, so it 0 to infinity kellesaరికి this is even function, so 1 by 2 of this value, 1 by 2 of this value, we get 1 by 2 into I into e power minus c. Okay, after this step, this integral value is equal to pi I e power minus I. I have already told you, in the problem we have sine function, that's why you let imaginary parts on both sides. This one is equal to this one, let imaginary parts, e power iz is equal to cos z plus I sin z. కాబట్టి ఇమేజినరీ పార్ట్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ z తర్వాత e power iz లో ఇమేజినరీ పార్ట్ వచ్చేసి sin z. కాబట్టి ఫర్ దిస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ దిస్, let imaginary parts on both sides, we get integral z sin z dz is equal to, z sin z by a square plus z square into dz, this one is equal to, what is imaginary part? Imaginary part అంటే I లేకుండా రాయాలి, I into ఏముందో అది, pi e power minus a. Now this value is equal to pi e power minus a, which is the integral f of z dz value. Okay, now this is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity limits తో f of x కి ఈక్వల్ అది ఇంటిగ్రల్ వాల్యూ. కాబట్టి it becomes, from this we write integral minus infinity to infinity x sin by a square plus x square dx is pi e power minus c. Now the question is not limits from minus infinity to infinity, this is 0 to infinity value. Now this is 1 by 2 into this value, 0 to infinity వచ్చేసరికి 1 by 2 into this integral value, which is pi by 2 e power minus c. Okay ma, now we have finished all types of integrals in this unit. Okay, now we see the next unit in the next class.